given an integer, check whether it is a palindrome or not. What they give in question is, they give one number as integer data type. They ask the given number is palindrome or not. If it is palindrome means return yes, else if return no. Now what is palindrome? Palindrome means if I have n is equal to 555, it is a original input. Now I reverse this input, then I store it on a reverse variable. Now I compare the original input and reversed input. If it is equal means it is a palindrome, else if it is not a palindrome. Okay, I start coding. First I convert the input of numbers into string, then I store it on str variable. Now string str is equal to string dot value of n. Now I convert the number into string. Then I store the length of string in a len variable. In len is equal to str dot length. Now I declare the variable I int I. Next I traverse through the loop from 0 to length of the string of -1 for I is equal to 0, I greater than len I plus plus. In this place I put -1 because in string each character start from 0. If I does not put -1 means it shows index out of bounds exception. So this is the reason I put -1 to her. In this for loop I check one condition. If what condition is, if first character is not equal to last character means I return no. Str dot char at I not equal to str dot char at len minus I. If the condition satisfied means return no. String no is equal to no. If all the characters are equal means then finally I return yes. String s is equal to yes. Now I explain how this for loop is working. Now I take input 555. It starts from index 0 to 1. Length is equal to the string of length is equal to 2. If I is equal to 0, if I is equal to 0, the condition is this condition is satisfied. 0 less than 2. If now I check if condition, str dot character of I, that means first character. This character, I check this character and the last character. These two characters are equal. So this condition is false. So I increment to 1. This condition also satisfied. Now against check uh, first character. First character means this character. This character and last character. Last character also first character. This character also 5. So this condition also not satisfied. So it return false. Finally, it print it is a palindrome. That means yes. If the input 123 means I compare first and last character. This character 1 and last character is 3. This condition is true. So it return no. That means it is not a palindrome. Now I compile and run. Now I click submit button. All the test cases are passed. Thank you.